Alright guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Don't forget to drop a comment. So guys, today we are going to be over here. As you guys can see, we already have the OBS taken apart from the last video as you guys see. Right now what we're doing is we're taking off the oil pan, because if you go up here, if you check it out, for you to change the timing chain and to take off the cam, you have to actually drop your oil pan on these type of trucks. It's not on all of them, but on some of them you do. Because, as you guys can see, we're going to be getting a new oil timing chain cover, because this one is no good no more. And we're going to be putting a double sprocket timing chain on this. If you guys go up here, check this one out. It's actually only one, and this one right here has two. If you guys see right here, it's gonna be going like and stay with this, guys. We got my boy Michael right here in the works. Say what's up, Michael.
What's up?
Hey. Right here at the shop, getting down with the gate down, as you guys can see. And stay with us, guys. We're gonna try to get this truck running, so let's go. Put that bolt in there. Right now our problem is we're having a little problem, guys. That the guys who put this on last time, they put a fuckload of silicone. We had this problem last time with the pretty much everything that we've been taking off, literally, huh? So right now, what we're about to do is we're gonna put out the camshaft. So do I just pull that motherfucker out like this or what?
Yeah. Throw one of those bolts in it.
Which ones? These?
Yeah.
Right here on the side?
Yeah. And then try to be careful and slow to not hit your cam bearings hard.
Should I put two of them just to have a good hold of them?
Yeah, if you need keeping these.
So guys, this is my first time ever doing this, but there is.
Now try to pick it up. Yeah, like that.
And she's out, guys. This thing does not make you do good printouts. Stock shit, bad shit. So guys, out with the old. Michael, you wanna do me the pleasure? And we're gonna show you guys the new one. Imagine they're all different and stuff. Ooh. Oh.
Beautiful.
grab that little end right there. Oh, I guess we need like a little knife on, laser knife right there. We're gonna take off the condom off the thing. I don't think I'm gonna well, guys, old and the new. Yeah, I'm gonna drop this bad boy because that would not be no good. There it is. Damn, this fucker's heavier. This one's hella light. Look at this one's hell. This one's heavy. But yeah, guys, there it is. Wow. That'd be like a perfect thumb down, huh?
I know.
I'm gonna sit right here today. Just get like a little. Hey, I don't want to slide this one over here. Michael, you're gonna have to slide this one over here.
Damn, all you gotta do now is slide it in.
Nah, I'm gonna leave it up though.
Yeah. Smooth it up.
Here it is, right here.
Yeah.
Right now, what we're about to do, guys, is we're gonna lube this bad boy up. We got the special comp cams. Lubricant. Show the camera real quick. That's that special lubricant right there, guys.
Good blue.
All right, go ahead, brother.
Oh, you see that?
Ooh. Oh my God. Nice and lubed up. We'll do some more here. That's pretty good, huh?
Yeah. Save something.
We're gonna let my guy Michael slide this bad boy in, guys.
You want me to slide it?
Yeah, I do actually. I don't want to mess it up. Being honest with you. Very nice. Very nice, guys. Well, the new camshaft is in, guys. Let's go. I can't wait to hear this thing go. Alright, guys. As you guys can see, we installed the cam, but right now we're actually gonna be going home. And tomorrow we're gonna be doing some thinking for sure. We're definitely gonna be installing the timing chain for sure. And right now what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna go home and we're gonna leave the lifters soaking in oil. Cause you wanna know why? I don't know why, but this is why my guy Michael said to do it. And if you want it done right, you gotta make sure you do it yourself, alright, guys? And hey, make sure you guys like and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. We are almost to 500 subscribers, guys. Let's make sure we get me to 500 subscribers. After that, we'll be doing a little giveaway. Maybe give away like a little cam kit, some headers or something, you know what I mean? Or a free exhaust done by my boy Hugo. We could do something nice, you know what I mean? But make sure we get to 500 subscribers. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one.